I'm Kara Malone. I'm the freshwater conservation technician at the Nature Conservancy. We do almost all of our river work in the Pollenskill watershed. The majority of the trees there were planted by the Nature Conservancy. The soil by the river is so sort of like fertile. A lot of the sites where we did all of these plantings were lacking in trees before we did them, which is why we chose them. So we planted 58,000 trees. This used to be literally just reed canary grass, which is an invasive grass. So when the trees are initially planted, they're very young. They need both protection in the form of that tube, and they need support in the form of a stake. And as the tree grows, it will sort of outgrow the need for the protection and the support. So we have to go out and physically remove those materials. So now it's more about going out and removing the tubes, removing the stakes, either repurposing those materials if they're still usable or recycling them. It's important to plant trees in the floodplain because the root systems help stabilize the bank, which prevents erosion. They also sort of act as this filtration system. They filter the water running off the land, which just helps support more wildlife. We would not be able to do the work we do without volunteers. In terms of from the Nature Conservancy, I'm the one person. So having these volunteer days where when Thorlabs came out, we got almost 700 stakes out of the field, which literally would have taken me weeks to do. And so having volunteers to come out and just help is so important. The tree plantings, there are photos of literally having dozens of people out helping plant trees, which is what I love so much when we have those volunteer days. The Thorlabs day, it's fun, I'm chatting, I'm hanging out with people. It's nice to not be out there alone doing this work. But also we just get so much work done.